Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Swaglodrav Yoyo Omo Pedi. As you already know, I carry gist wey you go like come for you today. Na about our lady, our princess, our queen. We are talking about Toke Makinwa. Toke Makinwa la ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀. People, follow me o. I ready to give you full gist about the lady, the queen, the everything, the princess. She's a damsel, she's everything you can call a lady, pretty way fine. Ogbonge news wey you no know wetin happen about this lady ni. Na wetin Olamide sing for the song na here I wan reason you. Say na wetin you do with the banana go determine if you go get house for banana. In island as we are saying going, we are talking about Toke Makinwa as saying Baba Iyabo take jam inside aeroplane ni jare my people. The good and ultimate search reality TV show host write am say see who I ran into as a poster for social media, Instagram and Twitter. People come dey talk am say maybe and Baba Iyabo dey into one thing but na the comment wey I see for the something wey he post be that. I mean the picture wey she post na wetin people dey comment about am be say see the smile wey dey on her face as she carry her hand on top Baba Iyabo last, all those kind thing. You know as our people dey talk for Naija now, dem wetin no concern dem na wetin dem go dey talk, but na aproko we sef dey do for here. Na the gist wey dey make life sweet be that. But the thing be say as e meet Baba Iyabo, the feeling dey her face as she dey smile, everything dey sweet am. Na so some comments wey I still dey read again o. Dat man wey dey behind am as e dey look, some write say na Toke Makinwa yansh the man dey look, some dey talk am say the man dey look maybe Baba Iyabo dey safe, some even dey talk am say this man wey dey look another woman yansh, if im wife see am na gbege. All those kind stuff people come dey write, dem dey gist about matter wey no really concern dem. Na so some people write am again say you ran into am abi you go meet am, all those kind matter wey no concern dem. Another person write am say Toke, why you no wear your sandal abi na slippers we go call am ni. So many things like that wey people just dey talk. You know say aproko people dem plenty and this my channel na the headquarter of aproko. Another person come write am again say wetin dey happen Toke Makinwa, why you no use your makeup? Say and this one you fine, you can't even find more without using makeup. Some people come dey talk am say no e fine with the makeup pass this one. All those kind talking people come dey talk dem mind, dem dey talk say dem dey appreciate am. Another thing be say some people dey talk this, some people dey talk that. The thing be say we are still on the matter as Toke Makinwa take jam our former president Obasanjo inside aeroplane money. As they take jam inside aeroplane wey be say Toke Makinwa go Scott go meet Baba o, wey Baba dey smile, the two of them come dey smile to each other. Make I smile sef.